Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Saturday. Well, welcome to my December Saturday stitching, and the theme this month, of course, is Christmas. So we are going to be working on a kit that I got last year sometime, not sure when. I did get it from GBFkE. And today we're going to be working on the reds in Santa's outfit here. And the color I'm using is 606. Yep. It's kind of a reddish orange. So, yeah. Let me pull you down. All right. Hopefully you can see okay. And I got my trusty Christmas wreath today. Oh my goodness. Yesterday was kind of a wash. I mean, wow. I decided I was going to clean everything out of the refrigerator that needed to be thrown away to make room for new stuff. Yeah. So I did all that and hauled that all to the trash. Went to the grocery store and got all the stuff to make kung pao chicken, which I think I'm going to make today. Yeah, I hope I can get it done. It doesn't take too long necessarily, but I'd like to eat on that for a couple days before I got to have turkey or ham or something, you know. Not normal, but traditional. There you go. Holy cow. And I don't know if I will make the oatmeal chocolate chip cookies today or tomorrow. We're just gonna have to see. And yes, I still have green food coloring that will not go away. I have scrubbed and scoured and take showers, and yeah, it's still there. So, fun times. And then yesterday, I thought, you know, I'm a little tired. I'm just going to take an hour and a half nap. It'll be great, right? I didn't get up for 3 hours. I was done. So, evidently, I needed to sleep. And I went to bed fairly early last night, so should be a good day. We'll just have to wait and see. Now, somebody had asked me about a kit, and I believe you probably know who you are. I did get that kit out, and I know exactly why I'm not stitching on it, like, all the time. It was, let me see if I have it right here. Whoops, nope, hang on. Oh, please. It is this kit. And the reason I haven't made a video with it is because all of this is very, confettied. Like, there is like 8 different colors in that candy cane. I couldn't, I'm sorry. So, there, you get to see it, but yeah, I'm not stitching on it for a little bit. So, it's a very cute kit. But it's just, I don't know. The whole thing is just very confettied. Every building, every element, they just kind of went overboard, I swear. So, I'm sorry, but won't be stitching on that. Oh, goodness. Is everybody doing something fun this weekend? Mine's been kind of a marathon cooking weekend. So, yeah. But I got myself into it, so it's not a big deal. So, I can get it done. No biggie. After I cooked all those other cookies, I had to go out, you know, and come back in, and the whole house smells like sugar. Doesn't smell like gingerbread or any specific thing. It just smells like sugar and sweet. I was like, oh, well, I won't have to use a air deodorizer or anything in here. Sometimes at Christmas I get a pan with some water in it, and I put all different kinds of spices in it, and cinnamon sticks, and some cloves, and just let it simmer on the stove there for a while. And it doesn't take very long in this house, you know, for it to smell like that for at least 2 or 3 days. But don't know if I'll do that this year. Watch somebody make mulled wine. I don't think I've ever had mulled wine. I've had spiced cider, but not mulled wine. It was quite the ordeal. I was like, holy cow, I didn't know it was that complicated. And if you're going to make that, you know, you best be taking it somewhere. Or, you know, I guess you could put it back in the bottle and cork it up. I have no idea, but I mean, it took like 3 bottles of wine, or 2 or 3 different kinds of wine, and maybe even vodka was in that. I was like, where are you going to go with that? You know, it's way too much for one person, so I don't think I'll be trying that this year. And I don't have enough people in my family that would even drink wine, let alone mulled wine. Have you ever had mulled wine? It would be something, you know, you could get out at like a restaurant this time of year, maybe, if they were into that, because like I said, that recipe just was that was a big recipe, and I don't entertain that way, not at all. I wouldn't know enough people that would come that would even be interested. So I guess that's a big city thing. I don't know, as far as I'm concerned, but might be somebody else's opinion. But yeah, no. Oh, God. But other than that, not too much going on around here. Weather's been in the, we'll say, the high 40s this past week, so yeah, can't complain about the weather at all. I know some of y'all are having some snow, but I have no idea if it's gonna snow near Christmas, or I haven't even looked at the thing. All I know is I'm getting to this. Let's just do this thing Christmas Day, and yay. And everybody has 4-wheel drives except for me. So there's no excuse for anybody not getting there. Oh my goodness. Must have pulled the end. It'll be fine. Everything's fine. Gonna have to stop and start though here. Didn't really know how to I don't know what I was gonna say. It just went totally out of my brain. I watched some Floss Tube yesterday. Basically, I just kind of lounged around, except for the part where I cleaned out the refrigerator. That was like a half an hour ordeal. But other than that, no. I watched Natalia. She opened that great big huge ginormous ladies one. Oh my goodness. Yeah, something else to look forward to next year. I had seen that one at AliExpress. Almost said Amazon. Got Amazon on the brain. At AliExpress, and I got the other one that I got instead. So, we'll see. I don't know. Can't say that I will, and can't say that I won't push the buy thing on that. What we need is another ladies picture, you know, because we don't have it, what, 4, 5 now, maybe? Yeah. I do like some of them, but I don't have to be in love with all of them, you know. Okay, now let's go down here. Because some of them I just didn't like the, I don't know, the composition of it. I don't know what else to say about it. I didn't like the way everybody looked and all that, so I tried to pick the best out of... I probably had 10 or 12 choices when I looked at AliExpress, so we'll see. But I really like working on the beaded one. It's very nice. And the symbols are nice and big and easy to see. Not necessarily so big, but the color of the canvas is the difference between light and dark, you know? Yeah, compared to that other great big, the Megazilla. Some of that you just cannot see. And it makes it frustrating, and it doesn't make it fun to stitch on. You know, if you got to keep looking at the pattern for whatever color, you know, you want. Yeah, that kind of drives me crazy after a while. And I'm kind of with those out there that, like Natalia, she'll do it every once in a while, not every time, certainly. Like if she's going somewhere, she'll thread a needle and put it, like, she'd get the color for this one, and the color for that one, and the color for the blue, and she'd have it already set up, and that way you only have to look once, just do those areas, you know? So I could see some good reasons to do that. But as a whole, I do not, what do you call it? What is that word? I want to say carry. No, that's not the right word. You know what I mean. There is a name for that. Help me, I can't think. But you know what I mean? Because I never leave, I'll leave like one thread because I'm tired of working, say, on a face of something. But for all over, no. God, and especially not counted, because that would just throw me over the edge. What is that called? I don't know, my brain's on tilt. Can we get past Christmas? It might be better after the beginning of the year. We're hoping. So. Yeah, I mean, there's some things that I've picked up that I thought, well, when would I reuse it? But now, after time has gone on and I've stitched on a lot of things, that could be beneficial, especially for that pattern. Holy cow. Yeah, I've never had such material that I couldn't see the pattern or see the symbol as that one. It's just too dark. Just too dark. And that's why I don't stitch on it very often at all. Yesterday I was going to get the tiger out and do the beaded cross stitch. Oh, before I forget, picture. Somebody sent me a picture. I know, I'm just blathering on, and yeah. I might get my brain back by the first of the year. Gosh, I hope so. It'll be a new Christmas present because I won't remember I lost it. Yeah. Thank you for sending your picture. I sure do appreciate it. If anybody else has any projects they're working on or something they finished, doesn't have to be Christmas, and would like to share it with everybody, just send it to my email address, and that is in the description box down below. Oh, please. All right. Just didn't act like it was straight. It's kind of driving me crazy up there. Every time I'd look, I guess this is sideways, so yeah. Never mind. We're good. All's good. Everything's fine. Oh my goodness. So yes, my granddaughter's finally getting better, and my daughter. And my son-in-law and my son, not my son, my son-in-law and my grandson, they went to work yesterday. Every once in a while, one of the kids will go with him to work. And they get to ride in the big equipment and stuff. They like that, so. Each to his own. So they're better. So hopefully nobody will be sick at Christmas. But we're starting to get it together. Or so my daughter said, so I just got to kind of take her word for it and keep moving. She knows my phone number. Short of that, we're good. Yeah. I haven't got a clue what I'm going to wear Christmas Day. Just haven't really thought much about it, I guess. So we'll have to wait and see. Probably sweatpants, because, you know, it'll probably be cold. But I don't know, this past week it's like, okay. I can do 50 degrees in the winter without it being sub-zero. But we've gone quite a long time, you see, so I know how Colorado works. That sooner or later it's going to be winterish around here. So, who knows? And then we seem to get a lot of snow in February and March and sometimes April. Just depends. Last year it didn't warm up until the middle of June. I'm like, what the heck is that about? So that was pretty late, and that usually doesn't happen around here. So who knows? All right, let me get that needle anchored. Here we go. Well, we got that much done. Now that yellow, or not yellow, well, yeah, it looks more yellow on yours. I don't know what color it is. Tannish, whatever. That is 666 red, so that'll make it a little bit brighter. So, yeah. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching. All right, guys. Just want to put the right picture in for what we did today because, you know, we're having that kind of a week. So sorry, guys. Just a little amendment to, or amendum, whatever the word is. You got the picture. This is the right picture. Oh, we're having fun now. Have a good day. Bye-bye.